Hi children, welcome back to the online English classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. In the last class, we did some activities that we changed a singular sentence into plural form. Today, let's discuss noun in gender. For example, boy and girl. Boy is male, it comes under masculine gender, and girl is female, it comes under feminine gender. Now let's see some more examples.
I am an ox. I am a male.
I am a cow. I am a female. Children, here you can see the difference. One is ox and that is a male. Another one is named as cow, that is a female. Likewise, animals, human beings, birds are named in according with their gender. One is masculine and another one is feminine. For male, it is masculine gender, and for female, it is feminine gender. For example, nouns like boy, horse, ox denote males. These are masculine genders. And nouns like girl, mare, cow denote females. These are feminine genders. There is another gender that is neuter gender. It denotes nouns that can be used for masculine as well as feminine genders. For example, doctor, teacher, baby, cousin, friend, boss, etc. Even the doctor is male or female, we call them as doctor. And if our friend is male or female, boy or girl, we call them friend. So such nouns are known as neuter gender. Now let's do a textual exercise. Rewrite the given sentences after using the opposite gender of the nouns used. So you have to write the opposite gender and rewrite the sentence. See the first one. The boy is a brilliant student. Here the boy comes under masculine gender. What is the opposite of boy? That is girl. So the sentence will be like this. That girl is a brilliant student. Write down in your notebook. See the next one. The princess lost her horse. Here the words princess, her and horse are underlined. So we need to change their opposite. What is the opposite gender of princess? Yes, it is prince. And we need to change the pronoun her to his. And the opposite of the noun horse is mare. So the sentence will be like this. The prince lost his mare. The opposite of princess is prince. And we change the pronoun her to his. And horse opposite mare. Okay. This is how you need to change each and every sentences. Next one. The girls went to see the bride. Here, two words are underlined. Which are they? Girls and bride. Girl is a feminine gender and bride is also feminine. So we need to change them. Girl opposite boys. Bride opposite bridegroom. So the sentence will be like this. The boys went to see the bridegroom. The boys went to see the bridegroom. See the next one. The peacocks were seen in the field. Here which word is underlined? Peacocks. What is the opposite gender of peacocks? It is peahens. So the sentence will be like this. The peahens were seen in the field. The peahens were seen in the field. Peacock is masculine gender, which means it is male, and peahen is feminine gender, which means female. See the next one. The monks were preaching. The monks were preaching. What is the opposite of monk? It is nun. Monks opposite nuns. So the sentence will be like this. The nuns were preaching. The nuns were preaching. See the next one. The bull was chased by the villagers. The bull was chased by the villagers. Here the noun bull is masculine gender. We need to change it. So what is the opposite of bull? It is cow. Cow is the feminine gender. So the sentence will be like this. The cow was chased by the villagers. The cow was chased by the villagers. So children, we have changed 5 sentences using the opposite gender of the nouns used in that sentence. Do the rest of them by yourself. Now let us recollect the masculine and feminine gender nouns we discussed. Prince opposite princess. His is a pronoun, its opposite is her. Horse opposite mare. Boys opposite girls. Bridegroom opposite bride. Peacock opposite peahen. Monks opposite nun. Bull opposite cow. Let's do the next activity in your textbook. Complete the given table. Here you can see a table. Left side masculine gender, right side feminine gender. Masculine means male, feminine means female. You need to find out the missing noun. Let's see the first one. Here you can see feminine gender noun is given. What is that? Heroine. So what will be the opposite of heroine? What is the masculine noun for heroine? Yes, hero. Next, the masculine gender is given. Gander. What is the feminine gender of gander? Yes, it is goose. Gander opposite goose. Next, the feminine gender hen is given. What is the opposite gender of hen? Yes, it is cock. Cock is the masculine gender, hen is the feminine gender. See the next one. Feminine gender is given, niece. What is the opposite of niece? Yes, it is nephew. Nephew is masculine gender and niece is feminine gender. Next, what is the opposite of dog? Dog is in masculine gender. And what is the feminine gender of dog? It is bitch. Next one. In masculine gender, the noun tiger is given. What is the opposite of the noun tiger? It is tigress. So tigress is the feminine gender. Tiger opposite tigress. See the next one. In feminine gender, the noun grandmother is given. What is the opposite of grandmother? Very simple. It is grandfather. See the next one. The masculine gender noun is given. What's that? Drake. What is the opposite of the noun drake? It is duck. Drake opposite duck. See the next one, and there is a correction in your textbook. The noun poet comes under masculine gender, not feminine. Poet comes under masculine gender and the feminine gender of poet is poetess. So, poet opposite poetess. Correct that word in your textbook and complete that table by yourself. So children, I hope you understood today's class. I have attached the textbook and answer keys in the Google Classroom. Download it and complete the exercise. Study well and we'll meet in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye.